In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can link your Squarespace domain name to your Wix website. So this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial so you can follow along. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and also to your Wix account. And for this to work, we need a premium version of Wix. If you're currently on the free plan, this is not going to work since Wix only allows custom domains for premium plans. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to select your correct site. For me, it's this one, simply called My Site, just for the sake of this tutorial. And then the first thing that's already prompting to us is connecting a custom domain name. From here, we can go back to Squarespace, then hover to domains right here. And this is my domain name, so we click on it, howtosimple.store. And from here, I'm going to simply select it and copy it, and I'm going to paste it into Wix right here, and then click Let's Go, just like that. And now, as we can see, we get this message. The domain name is already taken. Is it yours? Yes, I own this domain. Obviously, we want to click on this because it is our domain name. And then it's going to prompt us to linking the domain name. There we go. Now we can see we need to link it. It's going to take 5 minutes to do, but it can take up to 48 hours to properly link with the DNS settings. So we need to make sure that we logged into our domain provider, which is Squarespace. Then we want to click on Start. And now we want to select I logged in, yes. So we click on that. And from here, on your domains provider sites, go to the main page, find howtosimple.store, and go into the control panel or settings panel. So we click I found my domain settings. Then from here, we want to go to DNS on our domain name. And then under DNS, we see domain name servers. So we click on that. And as you can see, they're currently set to Google domains, which is by default used by Squarespace. So here we want to click use custom name servers. And this is where we want to add the name servers. Because now when we go back to Wix, we can see in your domain settings, find the area where you manage or edit name servers. And we want to change these name servers. And as you can see, these are the current ones, which they detect as well. So we click I found the name servers. And now we want to replace these to the new ones from Wix. So as you can see, we want to remove all the current ones and change them to these. So I'm going to copy this one, going back, and then I'm going to paste it in here. And for the second one, I'm going to paste it in 2 and then change it from NS4 to NS5. And then I click on save, just like that. And now as you can see, they have been saved. So now let's also refresh this page to make sure they're properly there, which they are, which is a good sign. Now we go back to Wix, and now we click on I've replaced my name servers. And now it's going to see if we did it and if it can find the connection between Squarespace and the Wix hosting. So this is a good sign. Now they say we're checking your domain connection. And again, this can take up to 48 hours to check the connection for the domain name. And they will keep you updated over email. So we can now simply click on track the domain status right here. And as we can see, this is the current progress. Instructions have been completed. Now they're checking the domain name. Then they will connect the domain and then it will be live worldwide. Again, here's everything that you need to know. Can take up to 48 hours and I'll keep you updated on email. Okay, it's been a couple hours and now we can see we get the message, congratulations, howtosimple.store is live worldwide. Now we can click view your site. It's gonna bring us to the domain name. And as you can see now, this is the site that I had on Wix. So this is as easy as it gets. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe and see you next time. Have a good day.